restaurant everywhere.
Where's Harley going?
Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog. Are you going to be right carrying it on the bus? Get Kieran Riley to help you. Uh-oh, here comes the rain. Alright, Colton, you got all your stuff for your camp. Here's a bus.
Amelia helped you with
Good morning, it is the 4th of March. Miserable wet day at home today. So, not sure at all what the plan of attack is. Colton and the kids are at school, but Colton's off to camp for a few days. Not a good week to be at camp, so we'll see how they get on with that. I think our plan of attack is to get some more stuff on the internet for sale. We're having a massive sort out around here. Trying to get down to living with as little as possible because we've got way too much stuff, way too much clutter lying around and we're sick of it. I have lost Leonie though. Dropped the kids off at school and she has disappeared outside doing something. I'm guessing she's in the tunnel house where it's dry. Ah, where were you?
washing.
Oh, washing it.
Getting washing in and hanging washing out.
Ah.
It's actually drying. It's showered now.
It's quite warm outside. I just went outside to find you, but I couldn't see. You must have been behind the van.
Yeah.
The
wind is real warm.
Yeah.
It's weird.
Are we going to keep decluttering and getting rid of stuff? That's what I said before.
Yeah, not much else you can do on a rainy day.
I don't think it's raining, but it's just the sound of wind is rubbish. So I think we just go start somewhere like the shed.
Somewhere, yeah, you got to start somewhere, Ben.
Yeah, you know what I mean. And just be absolutely ruthless because we have just got so much stuff still. We've got nowhere to put it. Alright, this is my keeper tool. Tazelle bucket. Now I am being ruthless, but I'm also being careful because some of the stuff we're going to need for our next little secret project. Sweep the floor first.
Possibly. Oh, that was great. Oh, we're stuck in here now.
Well, that was good. We had a major sort out. Got a box of stuff ready to go.
And then sorted out all our essential stuff that we may need for an upcoming project.
Yes.
Still catching up with spring cleaning, Ben.
Actually, we've got 2 boxes of stuff to sell. We've got the box of old farm show stuff and then this other rubbish. I mean, good stuff. All good?
Yep.
Is it cup of coffee time?
It is definitely a cup of coffee time.
I don't know if you can see it, but it is that rain is coming in sideways. I will just go and check our temporary permanent fix on the water tank pipe and see if the water's actually going in.
Alright, I'll stand here where it's dry.
It's hardly raining. It's dripping a little bit. Slight drip. Seems to be working. Oh. Well, today is turning into a bit of a write-off weather-wise. We've got the shed sorted, got a few things on the internet for sale. What is the plan of attack now? We don't know yet. Get some more stuff on for sale?
I am still putting stuff for sale.
That's good. It's good to declutter. It's about all we can really do today. Catch up on the weekend away before we go away again.
Yeah. The weather. What is the big storm coming? I thought it was already here.
Yeah, it's still on its way apparently. So we'll just keep chipping away at what we're doing and go from there. Well, I think we're sick of being stuck inside, but we can't do much about it today. The weather is not letting us get outside at all. Got a lot of stuff on the internet for sale and getting out of here, which is good. A lot of stuff to go through though. What about this old projector? Or should we use it in our future project? You are right here still. It's nearly time to get the kids.
What is it doing it?
It's trying hard not to rain.
Get some produce for dinner.
Excellent. 1:45. We'll get the kids in a couple of minutes.
Yeah, well, it's not raining.
I know, it's amazing. It's quite warm out here though.
Yeah, it's weird.
It's way better.
Where's Harley going?
No one wants to buy my Jingo ticket.
Where's Harley going?
$101.
Take it back, let's go.